My topic is Programming Essential in Python Part 2, Chapter 3. First in our lesson is Lesson 1, Variables. What are variables? A variable is a symbolic name or identifier that is used to store and represent data values in a program. Ang variable daw ay nagko-contain at nag-hold ng information and pwede mo tong galawin and palitan. Like for example is age equals 25 and we will use online GDB. We will use online GDB. Online GDB. Then talk. Then select the language. For example, age equals 20 and then int open and close parenthesis and age. Then ito ang nagsisilbi mong variable at ito naman ang value ng iyong variable. Then run. This will be your output. Another example is the name. Ang gagamitin mong variable is name equals, then kapag name gagamit ka ng quotation mark like my name is Lawrence. Then print open and close parenthesis and then sa loob nito ang variable name, then run. This will be the output of your program. Then next is our lesson is the comment in the code, and you may want to put a few words addressed not to Python but the humans usually to explain the other readers of the code kung paano mo to i-node or paano mo to kinuha or explain using comment in the code. For example, we will use first is gagawa tayo ng program ng name equals quotation mark then Lawrence. Then we will use comment as hashtag. Type hashtag and the first, and then type your comment. The first is the variable and second is the value of your variable and then print open and close parenthesis and then sa loob nito ang variable, then run. And this will be the output, and then this is your comment in the code. Paano ko nag-code and paano nakuha. Then next is the how to talk with the computer. Dito ay magko-code ka na kung paano makipag-usap sa computer. Gagawa ka ng sarili mong code, then you will use the input that user type. For example is ito, gamitin natin tong example. Then go to online GDB again, then copy paste, then run. Then tell me anything like I'm tired. lalabas ito ang output. Ito yung nagprint ka ng tell me anything and then variable ng anything, tapos yung input para makapag-input yung user ng user kung anong gusto niya i-input. Like nang in-input natin is I'm tired, then ilagay niya dito sa sentence na print mong eto na may string, then nag-concatenate ka ng anything which is your variable and the string. Then like sa lesson 2, pwede kang maglagay ng comment this is my code, then for example naman for lesson 1 is age equals 20, then nagprint ng anything, then pwede ka rin magprint ng age, then yan meron commenting I'm tired, then I'm tired 20, yan para mas maayos. Then lalagay tayo ng string na this is my anything. Ay, for example again is how old are you? Kung ilang taong ka na. How old are you? Then nag-age ka, input, open and close parenthesis, then burahin mo to, then print age, and I'm age years old, then run it. How old are you? Is 20. Then ito na ang output mo, I'm 20 years old. And that's it. Thank you for listening. Bye.